Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Gavin. Who doesn't love cupcakes? I know I sure do. For today's table, I thought I would set a cupcake tablescape. When cupcakes began to get so popular a few years ago, I started collecting cupcake dishes, and I like to use them for birthday parties or just any fun occasion. So let's look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm going to be using my check pastel tablecloth. The dinner plates are pink. I picked these up at Walmart. I'm also going to be using pink dinner napkins. And for the dessert plates, I have these cute little cupcake plates. They've got a pink plaid border, and each of them has a different cupcake design. I got these at the Dollar General store a few years ago. For the flatware, I have some teal flatware. It's a casual set. These also came from Walmart. And for my glasses, I'm going to be using, this is an old set that I found in an antique mall. They don't really go with the theme, they're Southern Belles, but the frosted pastel colors I thought looked good. This is the pink, they're also in yellow and green and white. So I'm going to be using those. And I also have some cute little cupcake stands. I ordered these from a company called Victoria Papers, and I'm going to be using a little candle, little cupcake candle on it. Here in the center of the table, I have a dessert stand. I picked this up at a yard sale. And on it I have some plates that have cupcakes going around them. I only had two, so I put a pink plate in between. And this is where I will add in the freshly baked cupcakes, at least the ones that aren't glass. And here on top I have a cute little glass cupcake with a cherry on top. For this tablescape, I'm using my pink Mosier cake stands. I've tiered a couple, and I have some pink strawberry cupcakes. These are little dishes. I think I may have picked them up at Hobby Lobby, and I have this cute little cupcake that's chocolate with the sprinkles. It's a teapot. All around the table I have different size cupcakes, little ceramic ones. I also have these little trays. I think these little dishes came from the Dollar General store also. I think I bought those when I purchased the plates. And I've been collecting the cupcakes for a while now. I got some of them at TJ Maxx. I think I got a few at Marshall's. I picked up some at thrift stores. I think I even found a few at Goodwill. But anytime I see a cupcake dish or jar, I pick it up to add to my collection. Here's another little cupcake dish. On this cake stand, I've got different size cupcakes. Got the one with the sprinkles and strawberry on top. I did this theme for the children when they were younger, for my niece and my nephews, and I think it's a cute theme, even for an adult, to do cupcakes. Here's another cupcake teapot. I think it's so cute. As you can see, each plate has a different cupcake on it. That's the green glass there. And going around the corner here, I have a cupcake tray with 3 cupcakes on it. This is a piggy bank, but I added it in too. I thought it was cute. And the cupcake with a big cherry on top. Guys, this is just a toy. My niece used to play with this. It had some little grocery items, and after they were all lost and she outgrew it, I repossessed it for my cupcake collection. Here I've got a cupcake cookie jar. It's not old, but I found it at an antique mall. So you never know what you're going to find when you're out looking. This is a little cupcake box. I've got a couple of these. They open up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.